Are you comfy?
I think it is.
Because I think you are.
Well, it rolls.
Are you comfy? Are you comfy?
Did he want
to show hi? Say hi, YouTube. Stop playing with the string. Yeah, she's hi. Don't slap me. I think she's comfy. I also think he is too.
It looks like it's old.
Yeah. Tweet, tweet. Yeah, that's tweet.
The bitch looks like it's on board there.
You're a lazy cat. Do you know this? Do you know this? Did you know that you're lazy?
Yeah, that's nice. Exposed left.
That's nice.
One.
Again.
You hear me?
And she don't know how to work a disposable camera. What a shame. What are you doing wrong, Mom?
Nothing. Waiting on the flash.
Yeah, you have to turn this on first.
It is on.
Well, then there has to be a battery in it. Is there a battery in it?
I don't know. I was just looking at everything. Should have been on. Probably ain't no battery or it should have been on. Right?
True. Well, whoever had it last left the flash on, so it's dead.
No, shit out your eyes.
Say bye one more time, Whitey. Don't attack the string. That's my